here's one I can honestly say I've never done a video on here at Unique, especially in classics. 1928 Marmon, model 78 Roadster with a rumble seat. Of course, the model 78 I found out has the 120-inch wheelbase, so that is what model this is. Also happens to be the same model that paced the Indianapolis 500 in 1928. Kind of cool. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. In 1928, one of these would have cost approximately $2,000. Can you imagine that in 1928? This particular car, you can see chrome and bright work. Shows well on it. Black paint has a nice luster to it. I will tell you there is some checking in the red up here, and you should be able to see that in the pictures. So the red, is it in perfect shape? No. You know, does it still show well and kind of enhance that age of the car and that kind of look? Absolutely. One to have a little fun. Take to your roll-ins, local car shows. Not gonna see a bunch of these out there, no doubt about that. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, and we're going to start it up, let you hear it run, look at the engine bay here too at the end of the video. But if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, click on the link down below this video in the description, is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. As you can see, wooden spoked wheels, that Marmon center cap. You'll see those in the close-up pictures. Of course, the storage compartment under the rear, right here behind that door. It's powered by an inline 8-cylinder, actually 216 cubic inches, I think it should have been. Engine number is N2732. Of course, the step for getting into the rumble seat is finished off in red vinyl. Of course, manual transmission paired up with that inline 8-cylinder. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Rear mounted spare. Take a look at the rear lighting on the car also. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Cloth top, I would say, kind of a saddle or tan cloth top, almost a canvas, I guess, if you will. Feels very durable. You'll see the car pictured with the top up and top down in those still pictures. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior, finished off in the red to match the two-tone exterior. Free of rips, tears, holes in the seats from what I've seen. What I'm also going to do, just holding this camera and apparatus to do this, I'm going to turn the key on over here, and I'm going to get in the other side. It's going to be a little easier for me to start it. We'll fire it up, let you hear it run. It does have a new battery, new fuel pump, and slip in here. Now, as far as starting, we do have a choke right here. We're indoors, shouldn't need that choke at all. Throttle position I've set right here. Push button on the floor right there is the starter. Make sure we're in neutral. And away we go. All right. Keys on. And it fires right up. Throttle it up just a tad. There we go. There's neutral. Look at this ornate gauge cluster. How cool is that? Let it warm up just a tad here. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Cool how those doors latch and sound. Inline 8-cylinder, purring away. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to see if I can get both these Hood, sides open. I want to show you this.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at this. Both sides open. There is a little bracket here that comes out. Piece of the hood sets in. So that's the way it appears that it was meant to be. Listen how smooth that runs. There is a special number plate for the Department of Revenue, I believe it was, in Pennsylvania. You'll see that in the still pictures. There's also a motor number down here you'll see in the still pictures, a casting down below, all those in the still pictures. This car actually was in the same collection for a little over 30 years before coming us here at Unique Specialty Classics. Whole background of the car. Come over here, see the intake and exhaust manifold side. What a beauty. Smooth runner too. This one would be a fun one to drive. 1928 Marmon, model 78 Roadster rumble seat car. What a beauty. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist with transportation.